Hello friends, this is Gurdeep Singh from RR and Sons Building Solution Private Limited. We are in a rural area of Karnataka. You can see this building. They were constructing a restaurant and bar. So as per government rules, there was some very less space in front of the building for parking. They were not getting the permission for bar. So that's why they need to move this building. And they call us to shift this building backward near about 23 feet. You can see this is the 3.5 floor building. We are going to move this 23 feet backside. So yesterday we started this for moving and we moved 1 feet backside. It was very heavy structure, that's why in one day it moved only 1 feet. You can see all the settings was done, and tomorrow we will move it again. So if you want to take the services, you can call us on our numbers, and that numbers you can see on this banner. So the foundation was prepared previously. It will be settled on this new foundation. In the back side, total 4 floors are there. So after shifting, finally they will get the permission. Lots of people are facing this type of problem nowadays due to the road widening and some mistakes during the construction. If you are facing this kind of problem, you can contact us on 9494160000 or 9491470000. You can see all the tracks. So if you want to take the service, you can call us. Thank you.